At 24, welcome back. In your health headlines this morning, a new study shows the first over-the-counter birth control pill is already making a difference in the U.S. Plus, it could now cost you a little bit less to get a popular weight loss drug. And Texas says its measles outbreak is officially over. Fox 43's Amy Lutz has those stories and more in this week's Health Smart Wrap.
Texas officials have declared the measles outbreak over. State health officials say no new cases have been reported in more than 42 days. Since late January, Texas officials confirmed at least 762 cases, with dozens of people hospitalized, two-thirds of them children. 2 children died, the first measles fatalities in the U.S. in a decade. More than 1,300 measles cases have been reported across the country this year, the most in more than 3 decades. Novo Nordisk is cutting the price of diabetes drug Ozempic for patients paying out of pocket. As long as they're not using insurance, Americans can now get a month's supply for $4.99, which is about half the price. The move comes as President Trump and lawmakers continue pressing drug makers to lower the costs of GLP-1 medications, which are often cheaper overseas. A new study shows the first over-the-counter birth control pill is already making a difference. Researchers found more than a quarter of people using the pill Opal were not using contraception before. The FDA approved Opal in 2023, and it hit pharmacy shelves last year for about $20 a month. The study shows it's reaching uninsured patients, teens, and people in rural areas, groups that often face the biggest barriers to care. Experts say giving people direct access to birth control is helping close gaps in reproductive health.
And that's a look at this week's Health Smart Wrap. Amy Lutz, Fox 43 News.